When you've been injured in a personal injury accident and you hire our firm to help you, there's a number of steps we take. First and most importantly, we're going to get you the proper and best medical attention that you deserve. While you're getting medical care and treatment, we're dealing with the insurance company. Once you've completed your medical care and treatment, we then collect all of the medical records and bills and then present them to the insurance company with our demand. During the process of our investigation, if there is a liability dispute, that means if the insurance company for the other party is saying that they're not at fault and trying to blame you, then the steps we take include interviewing witnesses, going to the scene, reviewing police reports in order to figure out and prove that the other party's at fault. Insurance companies don't want to compensate you fairly, and I'm here to fight for you. Our track record is that we get 99% of our cases settled without the need of ever having to go to court. Call Scott J. Corwin, a professional law corporation. We're here to help you.